Welcome to Crafting Narratives.
Fun animal facts for little explorers. Hi, little explorers. Today we're going to learn about some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's go!
Cows say moo. They love to eat grass and give us milk. Chickens say cluck. They lay eggs that we can eat. Lions are big cats that roar. They are called the kings of the jungle. Monkeys love to swing in trees and eat bananas. Can you pretend to be a monkey? Dolphins are very smart and love to jump and play in the water. Fish live in the water and have fins to help them swim. Look at all the pretty colors. Elephants have long trunks and big ears. They love to splash water with their trunks. Giraffes have very long necks to reach the leaves on tall trees. Look how tall they are. Today we met cows, chickens, lions, monkeys, dolphins, fish, elephants and giraffes. Which one was your favorite? Can you make your favorite animal sound? Thanks for exploring with us. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye. Check out more such learning videos from our channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe.